Want to plan your WhatsApp call in advance? Here's how you can easily schedule a call within the app. Initially start by opening the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, go to the Calls tab located at the bottom of the screen. Then click on the phone icon at the bottom right corner. From the option that appears, choose Schedule Call. Now enter the title of the call. Then add a description. Furthermore, add a start time. Additionally, you can also add the ending time. After that, select whether you want it to be a video call or a voice call. Once everything looks good, hit the send icon. Furthermore, select a friend or a group chat where you want to share the scheduled call. Finally, hit the send icon again to confirm. And your scheduled call will now appear in the chat. And there you go. Follow for more easy WhatsApp guides.